Dito sa Pilipinas, ang common problem ng pagkakaroon ng sasakyan ay ang biglang pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina. Although we have electric vehicles now, there are some concerns about charging stations. But have you ever heard of a 100% self-charging vehicle? Yes, you heard it right. Now, let me introduce you to the new Nissan Kicks. I'm Bianca Balila of Nissan Global City. So today I will discuss about the new e-power technology of the new Nissan Kicks. But aside from that, you'll also get to see the exterior, interior, safety features, technology, and the comparisons of the different variants. Ano nga ba ang e-power technology? Let's check it out. The main components of e-power is the electric motor, the gas engine, and the battery. Simple lang. Electric motor is the one in charge in driving the wheels. Kaya, it's a 100% electric motor-driven vehicle. So, para saan naman ang fuel engine? It is mainly used to charge the battery pack, and it will automatically charge the battery when it is just necessary. Most regular engine is just around 8 kilometers to 12 kilometers per liter, while the Nissan Kicks is very efficient because it can run for 22 to 25 kilometers per liter. And the exciting part, mas matipid pa ito kapag traffic, thanks to its regenerative braking system that will charge the battery from the electric energy. Let's just say it can run up to 900 kilometers per one full tank. Ang galing, diba? Nothing to worry about charging. Take note, this is not a hybrid. It's e-power, which is more efficient, reliable, powerful, and fun to drive. The e-power technology is not just efficient, it is also very powerful with 136 horsepower and 280 Newton-meter of torque. That makes the Nissan Kicks consistently responsive, smooth in acceleration, and it is a self-charging vehicle. The technology, I must say, is just super. But you'll have to check out the looks and other features to see how the new Nissan Kicks will soon to dominate the market. Here in front, we have the new V-Motion grille with the new Nissan logo, LED headlamps, and LED fog lamps. Here in the side, we have a black roof with silver roof rail and 17-inch alloy wheel. Dito naman sa likod, we have LED tail lamps, a back camera, and parking sensors. You also get 432 liters of cargo. And now, you'll get to see the luxurious feel inside. Check out the interior. that the new Nissan Kicks is not just about the looks. It feels luxurious inside, very comfortable, and I can see a lot of functions. Let's check it for ourselves. It also comes with 7-inch TFT display that gives the information you need, such as yung engine flow and other driving aids. It is easy to see and easy to understand. An attractive 7-inch TFT display that brings you a feeling to start a ride. Now, enjoy the 8-inch advanced touchscreen monitor that is equipped with Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, home screen customization. And for your safety, meron tayong intelligent around view monitor with moving object detection. Ito naman ay nagbibigay agad ng warning sa driver once may ma-detect na obstacles na possible mong maatrasan. It's exactly what we need to park with utmost safety. How convenient! Samahan mo pa to ng 6 audio speakers that will give you the best sound system. You can also fold the seats at the back for more cargo space. When it comes to safety, it is equipped with forward intelligent collision warning. It alerts you when there is a possible collision with visual and audible alerts. What if naman hindi mo ito mapansin? Well, nothing to worry about that because it is also equipped with intelligent emergency braking. Or ito din yung tinatawag na auto brake. This can help you and the driver to avoid front collision or help reduce the impact of front collisions. Well, I can say that your hard-earned money deserves the best-in-class sa safety features. Dito naman sa center console, have you noticed na wala na tayong handbrake? Dahil sa lahat ng variants, naka-electronic parking brake na. It can be applied just a push or a pull on the button. But it's not just about the electronic parking brake. Ang kagandahan pa dito, meron din siyang auto-hold function. Para saan naman ito? Isipin mo na hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng handbrake every time nahihinto ka during traffic or at stop. Auto-hold function can also be released automatically with just the gas pedal. Samahan mo pa ng e-pedal step or one pedal. Just use the gas pedal to accelerate and decelerate the vehicle. It is truly effortless driving dahil bihira ka na lang gagamit ng preno. Sobrang convenient at relax ka na lang sa pagdadrive, di ba? And that's a true value for your money. With its looks, features, ride and comfort, and the new technology, it will surely make you the new Nissan Kicks at the top of your choice. There are 3 different drive modes. The Sport mode that gives more power. It is recommended to use in winding roads, left or right turn intersection because it balances fuel economy and acceleration. If mas prefer mo naman ang better fuel consumption, especially during traffic, use the Eco mode. And of course, the Nissan Kicks also has the normal drive mode, which is very recommended in cruising the highways. Now, all I can say is, kung smart buyer ka, you will definitely choose the Nissan Kicks e-Power. Since the new Nissan Kicks and its e-Power technology is new in the market here in the Philippines, other concerns would be its durability. You don't have to worry. It's a lithium-ion battery that is perfected in the Nissan LEaf and it exists in the market since 2010. Plus, this also has 5 years or 150,000 kilometers warranty. Now, let's take a quick look of the features of the different variants. All variants of Nissan Kicks are with e-power technology. The 3 drive modes together with the e-pedal step are also available to all variants. For the entry level, some top-of-the-line features of its competitors are already available with this base variant of Nissan Kicks, such as LED headlights, hill start assist, push start button, cruise control, electronic parking brake, auto hold function, and steering controls. Naka-mags din ito with 17-inch alloy wheels. Nissan Kicks EL pa lang, parang top of the line na. Ano naman ang meron sa VE variant na wala sa EL variant? VE variant has 6 airbags, driver attention alert, parking sensor, forward collision warning with emergency braking for your additional safety, and of course, the 8-inch touchscreen monitor with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is present dito sa middle variant for your comfort and entertainment while traveling. For the VL variant, which is the top of the line, you will get the stylish black roof, front fog lamps, 6 speakers, leather seats, leather steering wheel, and the all-around view monitor with moving object detection plus a back camera for your utmost safety. Sa dami ng features, I can see why it's worth the hype. No wonder that your search for a brand new vehicle will end up on the new Nissan Kicks. Once again, I'm Bianca Balila. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and book a test drive now. Thank you for watching.